I never thought this day would finally come. You always said you thought that I was dumb, but I knew you loved me. Couldn't get enough of me.
How could I have let it come to this? This was so not on my bucket list. You're meant for another guy. It's time to say goodbye.
He loves me so, this I know. I'm never gonna let you go.
Okay.
You are mine and I am yours. My feelings won't be ignored.
Honestly, I must stay true to my heart, and it doesn't want you. Here is what I'm telling you. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile, take care, polar bear, and toodaloo, kangaroo. Guten Tag, little frog. Hasta mañana, piranha. Won't see you soon, cheeky baboon. In other words, we're through.
He thinks he really has a choice. You are mistaken, you silly boy. My heart is set on you. You are my boo. Let me in, I'll huff and puff. Open up, I've had enough.
You hear that sound? I called back up. They're coming to rescue now.